Life is shaped in seconds, but our evolution is continuous. The engineer designs cars and homes and also shapes dreams. The farmer, beyond growing food, shapes sustainable agriculture for generations to come. The physician who saves lives shapes our longevity. The entrepreneur generates jobs and income to shape a better society. Like a curious child shaping a new future. At the center of all of this is Gerdau steel, ever present and indispensable. A partner, a visionary, and always flexible. Gerdau, shape the future.